Inheriting a property is often an emotionally trying experience, and sometimes it can even lead to unexpected problems. It may be in serious disrepair. It may be inconveniently located where you can't keep an eye on it, or you may find yourself paying taxes, utilities, and upkeep for a home you have little use for. If you're faced with an inherited property that you want to sell, HomeVestors can help. HomeVestors pays cash for houses all over the U.S. As is, no cleanup or repairs are needed. There are no commissions, and we cover normal closing costs. We even close on your schedule in as little as 30 days or as slowly as you want. And with professional home buyers from coast to coast, we can purchase houses in most areas of the country. Inheriting a home is one thing. When you inherit a problem, call HomeVestors, the We Buy Ugly Houses people. HomeVestors is America's #1 home buyer. Since 1996, over 75,000 people have turned to us when they wanted a fast cash offer for the purchase of their house. You can too. For a free, no-obligation cash offer, call 888-802-8260 or visit WeBuyUglyHouses.com.